All right, everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have my friend Alyssa here with me.
Hey guys!
Oh my goodness, so we're going to do my hair today. We are going to install some of these synthetic bundles.
Yes,
here.
bitch. Bundles.
Yes. Bundles.
Bundles, okay.
$5.99. You can get these bundles too.
Yes,
okay.
for sure.
We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna do the crochet method where you go in with the hook and you loop it in and you knot them. I left some hair out. That's why I look a little crazy. This is a new look. You just wait. It's gonna catch on. You could take it. You could tuck it behind your ear. You have one like hanging.
You live in your best Amish life. No, but for real though, her braid pattern looks really, really good. Honestly, you could kind of use this as a foundation for a sew-in as well. But it's gonna make the crochets look really nice, especially how tight the braids are together. Oh. No, I think that how you did the foundation would be really good because you're not gonna have that many gaps between the crochets and you won't see like scalp through it. So,
and that's what I'm excited about because I feel like the last time I did it, this was like years ago, but I did like the jumbo twist, and like that was cute. Yeah. But like you could see a lot of my scalp, and I felt like I was bald headed. Like I feel very bald headed right now, but
well, you've got hair, okay?
We gonna put it on. It's gonna be okay. So I use the Rastafari Barbados. Let's see, hopefully it'll focus. I use their Barbados curl. I really thought it was cute when I originally saw it. It came in that color you're seeing right there, and all those different styles are just so stinking cute.
Yeah, she was honestly having the worst time, the hardest time, not the worst time, the hardest time deciding what color to pick because this brand honestly had a million different colors.
So many colors.
So we went from blue to purple to more of like a fuchsia, and then we ended up leaving with this, like the most normal one out of all of them. And if you know Lynn, she has like every color of the rainbow in her hair like every couple weeks.
So this is going to be interesting because for real, I wanted to do that blue. We went to United Beauty and we were in there for a hot minute because we couldn't figure out what we wanted. They have so many options, and it's like, ooh, you think you find something, you're like, I want that, and then you fucking turn around and you're like, no, I want that.
I know, I already want to go back and just like look around and get something else.
I washed these prior. There's gonna be footage of me washing these just because I wanted to get the shine off. Like they're still gonna be shiny and they're gonna look like healthy hair, but I didn't want them to look like synthetic, and they are synthetic. So I went ahead and looped a rubber band around the top just to kind of help keep it together, so when I washed it, it wasn't going to get really frizzy or spread out really weird.
Right.
So I wanted to give you guys a good look of how I washed the hair. So this is what the hair looked like in the package. I went ahead and I've already done, you can see the background, there's a bowl with some foam in there with a little bit of hair chilling. That was my test strand to make sure that this was gonna work. I've seen people do this already on YouTube, but I wanted to try it for myself because I've seen people do it with shampoo. I've seen people soak it in apple cider vinegar. I've seen people do it with conditioner. So I felt like I was gonna try it with apple cider vinegar and then shampoo. That made the most sense to me because I really want to just clarify the hair before I install it. So I went ahead and took out each bundle, excuse me. I did about 5 bundles, and I just wrapped the top with the rubber band to keep them nice. I went ahead and poured the little bit of apple cider vinegar into the bowl. Honestly, you just want enough to give the water some color. You don't want it to be super intense because honestly, it's going to be harder for you to remove that smell because apple cider vinegar is not just some light, airy smell that you want to be smelling all day in your hair. So I went ahead and I stuck the bundles in the water with the apple cider vinegar, and I let it soak for about 15 minutes, and then I went ahead and rinsed after we were done. So after we did the vinegar, I went ahead and I rinsed it, and then I redid the same step but using shampoo instead of the apple cider vinegar. So I just put a little bit of shampoo in there, filled it up with warm water. It's crucial that you use warm water and not hot water because with it being synthetic hair, hot water would have just made all that hair gone straight, and then I would have been screwed. But yeah, I did the same step. I just let it soak in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. The water actually did change colors just a little bit, but I'm happy because it's just a learning process and the hair is really nice and clean now. This is what the hair looked like after we did that. You can see the shine level has been brought down a lot, but it looks healthy. Going ahead, we're pulling the hair apart, and then when you go ahead and start looping it, you actually want to pull even smaller sections. When you're going into the back, it's okay to kind of go in with thicker pieces because the back you're not going to see underneath. Right. So, and you don't want to sit there and be so meticulous with somewhere that you're not going to really see. So you can go in, you can make them bigger, but when you get closer to the top and you want it to start looking a lot more natural and you're filling in those gaps, that's when you're going to go and you're actually going to pull that section apart. And so you're going to actually get smaller pieces so you're not getting those big bulky knots sitting there. Because honestly, like this piece right here, if you loop it, it's not a big piece, but it'll help when it's smaller too, just to be a little more secure.
Have it look way more natural.
Yes.
You can go wrong sometimes with crochet. Trust me on that. But the smaller pieces and the more I feel like precise you are, the better you'll be off.
So when you're gonna section these, you really want to snatch it when you take it from the bundle original, like that one original curl.
Right.
Because if you take it really slow, you're going to get frizzy and you're gonna have to run your fingers through it and you're gonna really just start disturbing that curl and you're gonna have to deal with so much mess and it's not gonna be a good time.
You're gonna have a bad time.
Yeah, you want to pull it apart really fast just because you don't want to mess up that curl. So you're gonna really take it and just
Just split these in half?
Yeah, I would just split these in half, and then when you get closer to the top, I would just put them into thirds. You're gonna have your hook open like this. It's gonna slide in. And you're gonna see that it's sitting inside of your braid. And then now you can go ahead. Maybe. You're gonna take your hair. Thank you. You're gonna stick it in there. You're gonna close it.
The latch.
And then you're gonna pull it through. And then now you're gonna be able to open the latch again.
This is so easy.
Super easy. And then through the hole, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna just pull the hair through, and then you're gonna take it again, twist it, and pull it through again.
So that's nice and secure.
Nice and secure.
Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies.
Yeah. Oh.
Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but at heart, in the dead of the night, teardrops on the floor. The pain is over, feeling darkness take control.
So on the top, every couple of sections, I'm actually looping it through 2 braids just to close up that gap so you're not seeing that part. It's going to help make it look a lot more natural, give it a better blend, and then it's also just going to make the hair feel a little bit fuller for whenever you're flipping it around. I'm also knotting it just to make sure it stays nice and tight so it doesn't just start to loosen, because it does have a little more tension because you are going through 2 different braids. Once you've installed the hair, you're going to see that you have some straggly ends. Go ahead and just take your scissors and kind of just cut those off. Don't really cut into your length unless you have a style desired, but I just went in, cut those little extra pieces off because they looked a little crazy. Oh, I like this. I'm just interested to see how this hair wears.
Yeah.
Like through time, because it's not real hair. So it's like, you can only put so much product in it. You can only do so much with it to kind of like...
Save it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's like, once it's shit.
That's one thing that sucks about synthetic hair is like how long it lasts.
Mm-hmm. Thank you for helping me.
Yeah, of course.
You are a freaking life.
Imagine how long it would have took you.
Forever?
So I think we started at 4:30ish, and it's 7:30 now, so about 3 hours.
Yeah, that's what I would say.
Honestly, if she did it all herself, it probably would have took about 5 or 6. To be honest.
Especially because not being able to see the back of my head, and I think I would have fucked up more hair too. Because like,
a majority of that is your pile.
This is my pile right here. And there's some more. There's a little more here. This is all the hair I fucked up. This is the hair she fucked up. This is the hair I fucked up.
And then we ended up having just like a little bit left over. How many packs did we use? Was
5.
it 5? 5, okay.
5. And I would say I have a kind of big head, but I also wanted it really full, so.
No, it looks like the perfect amount, honestly. Yeah.
Well, everybody, be sure to follow Alyssa. Alyssa has her own YouTube. She has Twitter. She has Instagram. Go ahead and plug that in there, girl.
First of all, I can't really use Twitter because I feel like I'm just too old. Like, I skipped it. I skipped how to use it. I skipped the functionality because I just don't want to waste my time on there. But follow me on Instagram and YouTube at Yellow.Jade on both those platforms.
And you don't follow her, you fake. And if you don't follow me, you extra fake.
And go ahead and check out the video on my channel as well.
Yes, I'm gonna link it down below too.
Yes.
So you make sure you subscribe to both of us and like both of those videos.
Because we both bad bitches, okay?
Bad bitches. Okay.
Give us a thumbs up and share this video.
Share it! Make sure your grandma watches it, your auntie, your bald-headed granny, even though I already said grandma, but that's a different person. So it's okay.
Your granny with the good hair and your granny with the bald-headed hair. but which would mean no hair. But
she can't do this.
you guys.
Bye.
We're done with you. Bye.